Every elevated task your facility demands has one requirement above everything else. Get the crew up safely, get the work done. Get them back down, every time, without exception. Whether you manage a high-volume warehouse, oversee commercial construction, or maintain large-scale facilities, the TYPHON xFlex 2031EM was designed for the environments where elevated access is not occasional. It is daily, it is essential, and it cannot fail. 1.2-ton electric mini scissor lift, 2,646 pounds of precision engineered. Elevated access capability. This is the machine built for the work that never stops. The xFlex 2031EM reaches a maximum platform height of 20 feet, 6 meters above ground level, giving your crew the elevation for ceiling installations, high bay warehouse maintenance, commercial lighting work, and elevated construction tasks. Safe working load of 705.48 pounds. Accommodates to employees with their essential tools on a 66.9 by 29.5-inch platform that gives them room to work, not just room to stand. When tasks require additional reach over obstacles, the 19.7-inch platform extension supports to 150 pounds, extending capability without extending risk. Rise and fall cycle of 80 to 90 seconds. Smooth, steady, controlled every single time. This machine goes where the work is, overall footprint of 74.8 inches in length and just 31.5 inches in width. Compact enough to access areas where larger platforms cannot operate. Safety maintenance support rod securing the platform in service position, protecting technicians during inspection and maintenance. The dual 12-volt 120 ampere-hour battery system paired with a 24-volt 25-amp charger provides 6 to 8 hours of working time on a 6 to 7-hour charge, meaning one overnight charge powers a full productive shift. The main power switch gives immediate control of the entire electrical system. Fault code battery display providing real-time diagnostics. Solid tires with integrated brakes. Travel speed of 2.2 miles per hour. In folded state and lifted travel speed of 0.5 miles per hour, the turtle speed switch enables slow controlled movement in the most confined spaces. In a minimum turning radius of 0, the machine pivots within its own footprint. Elevate your operational efficiency with TYPHON xFlex.